There's a great new feature for subscribers to find repeater lists along a route. All you have to do is choose a to and from, enter it. Say you're going to Crater Lake from Eugene. Search that. And it gives you the directions. It shows you a big map of the route in red. And it shows the repeaters along the route. Eugene, over to Chiloquin, Walker Mountain. Shows you the nearby repeaters that you will find. You can check which ones you're going to want to use. You can reorder them. Check which one you want, look at the details, and then download a chirp file. This chirp file, you can go into chirp, go file, open, and load it up and load it into your radio.